Adosia is an Internet of Things automation platform that lets anyone deploy, control, and monitor custom Wi-Fi control systems literally within minutes. The Internet of Things, more commonly known as IoT, simply refers to any Wi-Fi connected device capable of interacting with the real world. The Adosia IoT Platform is an easy-to-use suite of IoT building blocks, requires no coding skills, and breeds an entirely new level of creativity, enabling thousands of configuration options. Adosia gives you complete control over active components such as relays, pumps, valves, switches, locks, LED strips, buzzers, and more, based on a variety of real-world digital and analog sensory inputs such as motion, temperature, buttons, ambient light, natural gas, soil moisture, pH, sound, pressure switches, and more. Getting started with your new Adosia hardware is easy. All you need to do is sign up for a free account on Adosia.com, use your mobile phone to connect your hardware to the Adosia platform, and then simply log into your Adosia account to set up, configure, and deploy operating profiles for your Wi-Fi devices. Once a device profile has been set up, that profile can easily be assigned to any number of active Adosia devices to enable scalable device management. You even have the flexibility to set different device profiles to become active at specific times throughout the day. The best part is Adosia users can customize sensors to trigger other components into action, as well as set up a wide variety of notification alerts. So what might you build with Adosia? How about a self-watering pot that waters on soil moisture and notifies you when water is low? Or an automated garden, grow operation, or custom aquarium that also monitors temperature or pH? Or perhaps use a motion sensor to automate an overhead stove light or night light that only activates at night? What about a hidden lock for your cabinets or desk drawer to keep your valuables locked away and also alerts you whenever accessed? How about a tamper-proof safe or jewelry box that notifies you when movement is detected? Why not build a hydroponic snake rig with custom watering cycles, automated reservoir refill, and automated dog water bowl refill? You can even build a wide variety of pranks, such as a scary pumpkin that triggers a light or sound when kids walk by for Halloween. At Adosia, our mission is to show the world what IoT really means. Adosia is where Wi-Fi automation breaks free and where imagination is the only limit.